nag-start na? Ay, nag-start.
Tapos nag-start. Ni-start nila.
Bigla.
Makakasali pa ba yung mga hindi naka-ready?
Tignan, parang ako na.
Okay guys. The game starts, so we gonna use English for command. Off mic na yung iba, off mic. Especially, please listen to the commanders, guys. Our commanders, me, Aimless, Buhawi, and Fear. Don't forget to crop your tarpaulin. Trampoline.
Tarpaulin.
Who's gonna be the commander for base team?
Base team. Fear will handle the base team.
We're gonna do the defense Agony. Nezuko same objective. But at this time we're gonna be on the beacon team.
Let's do back on 20 seconds, guys.
So, nagkamali dyan ka na.
Copy, copy. Don't forget your time out, guys.
Go on the side.
Double check your gear. Your drone. Don't, and also ammo. Always share your camp, your ammo.
Makakapasok pa ba yung hindi nakapasok? Putang ina, sumakto sa kanta ni Buhawi.
Oo.
For attack team, let's focus on the beacon holder only. Don't do PvP unless you see the beacon holder.
Copy, copy.
Buff. 20 seconds.
Pop guys, pop.
Just spread before you guys use vehicle. Attack team, let's go on the side. Don't go on a mid road.
Walang kinaalak ng lipid flow. Di ba talwagi dyan? Yan. Sa flicker star, ano dyan? Yan.
Okay, they know what we're doing, man. Guys, okay.
Someone,
Hold the base
some
attack
enemy
team.
going to our base. I see someone going to our base.
Okay, stop doing PvP. Attack team. Look at me on the map. Wow. Let's hold the ground. We can put trample in here. Okay, they have the beacon right now. Focus beacon holder.
Copy.
So you're gonna ambush in a bit.
Wait for them.
2, 1, go. Only beacon holder. Okay, drop out.
Beacon holder.
Right.
Beacon holder died.
Good job, bro. Nice.
Mana between.
Go hard.
Attack team, let's protect the beacon holder. Our beacon holder. For enemy team. Use FD. Beacon on side.
Nagkatabi ko.
Attack 3, advance. Huwag niyo iwanan yung beacon holder natin. Okay, delay na sila. Look at the beacon.
Reaper got the beacon. Reaper got the beacon. I deploy Zeta. Also shielding Reaper.
Don't attack the warrior on green.
Oh, it's the commander right now. FT Koy, I need your FT.
I got the beacon.
Good. Nice. Okay, team 3 keep advancing. Kanyaya mag-isa yung
New
beacon
hiding
holder.
spot.
Heart got the beacon. I throw Zeta.
Base team, can you guys put trampoline here? Can you guys support us? Okay, since we got the 2 beacon, we're gonna put the signal jammer here.
Wait, I'm gonna deploy trampoline here. Heart. Here, trampoline.
The warrior is coming.
Try to separate it because I think it's not uploading. It's okay. We got the other way. Attack
They
team, do
can't
PvP
find
outside the green zone.
Tago.
I will defend.
Sige, try niyo gawin yung beacon ko. Sige daw. Hanapin niyo.
Uy, ba't nandito yung dalawang beacon? We should separate two beacon.
Yeah, separate. It's not gonna...
Kunin mo hard. Labas mo. May isang beacon tayo. Oh, I'm dead.
Nice.
Reaper, can you go under base? Destroy the machine.
Two enemy in the rooftop trying to destroy our rooftop.
No. I'm not there. Wala ako sa gitna.
Good job. Boss on 45 seconds. Attack team, let's go on, boss.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah,
Ow!
where's the other beacon? Did we upload it?
Kinuhang gago.
Oh, they had a beacon, 2 beacon.
Yes, occupy the two beacon.
On my way to the boss.
What happened on the beacon holder on our team? You guys need support? Base team.
I'm clearing the boss. Here, boss. Because they're the enemy. I'm trying to clear them.
Wow, I can see. Wait.
Beacon, the enemy got the beacon.
Only beacon holder. Okay, we got the beacon. Protect the beacon holder.
Copy.
Oh,
The beacon. The enemy got the beacon.
here. I got the other beacon here. Bon, check on map.
I got the beacon.
Good job, base.
I got the beacon. I almost in the base. Guys, need help here.
Base team, need support for attack team. But you guys need to keep defending our beacon inside the base.
I'm bleeding.
Naagon yung beacon ka.
Okay, I got it. Wow.
I'm dead. Going back.
Basag na, buhawi.
I don't
Okay,
care what
thank
you
you.
guys.
Heart. Ilabas mo na sa green zone yan, pre. Then let's protect the 2 beacon gonna upload.
Copy. I'm here. Protecting the beacon.
Jay, cancel it.
Guard drop. Attack team.
Real drop. Okay,
Kaya ba, boy?
wait
You
lang.
guys get together.
On my way.
Really important.
Coming to. Real drop.
Please be
No one is here.
Go, get it. We need that.
I'm also going to back.
Okay, they have the beacon right now. They're trying to get it in. Keep delaying it, guys. Go. When he drop it, okay, I got it. I got the beacon.
Please, no one noticed me. Huwag niyo kong pansinin, please.
Nice.
Someone is coming.
I'm trying to upload this one, please.
Enemy coming.
Faster.
Okay, Heart, just keep delaying the beacon. We need to support the other beacon.
We
Airdrop
got the
secure.
airdrop secure.
Reaper, if you get the chance, can you get the satellite from the enemy base?
Huwag kayo pumunta dito. This is my spot.
Copy. I'm going to enemy base.
Support, wow, we have the beacon. Holding it.
I'll get the other one right now.
Wala!
I'll update this one. Beacon first. Please. We're almost there.
1 minute and 50 seconds for MC. Aim is going to enemy base.
Almost.
Okay, the other one is uploading. Good job.
Okay, nice one.
Where's the other beacon?
I'm going there.
Where is it? Keep looking at it, guys. We need to upload that.
Kinuha na.
Uy!
Where's the other beacon? Here. This one.
Where's the other beacon? Game 3, locate the beacon. Oh, here.
Aray ko.
Beacon. Other beacon.
Hala, gago na busy pa ako.
Ay,
Dito pa
nakatalon,
ako
pre.
na busy.
Okay. We got the satellite. To the second one.
Bilisan mo, LA.
Good job, team. Okay, I have the beacon again, Buhawi. Attack team, support. I need support.
Dito ka beacon. Oh, the...
Enemy reaper, enemy. Still enemy. 2 enemy, 1 warrior.
Faster
Oh,
na.
I can move.
LA.
Oh, they uploaded the beacon, the other...
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, no, not yet.
I got it. Protect me, bot.
Got it. Yeah,
I mean
nice, bro. Good job, good job.
Okay, I'll get this one. So. Uy, help me.
Too many enemy. I think we're going down.
They're still trying to get our beacon.
Okay.
There's a boss. Can you guys base him, get the beacon? An MC.
Yeah. that
On
is
my
one.
way. I failed to steal their satellite.
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, attack team, you see the beacon on the map? Let's ambush it.
Yeah,
Leave
blue
the
beacon.
beacon right there.
On my way to the beacon.
Someone is taking the beacon on our base.
Oh shit. Ah, warrior. Ayaw ko sa'yo.
It's okay, we got time. Okay, I have the beacon, Buawi.
Boy, I got the beacon. Oh,
I got the beacon.
Please, help.
Hold on.
I got the beacon again. Bleeding.
I need to select the other beacon.
I die.
Bowie, did you take the other beacon, Bowie?
No, I'm trying to delay it.
I'm
I
coming.
have the beacon right now. If you guys...
On my airdrop.
Look, guys, I see Buhawi there.
Okay, they have the two beacon now. Sa base nila.
Naglolo ko. Teka lang.
Airdrop near quarry. Oh, no, not quarry.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm on my way on the airdrop.
Do we have beacon on our base?
There are 4 enemy in the airdrop. I tried to delete this one. I don't know if they got it.
We don't have the beacon on our base, right?
No.
Guys,
Yup. Away on our terminal.
All team, let's go on their base. All team.
Copy.
All players.
Ano?
guys, from FD.
Somebody
Ay,
can
shit.
get our satellite.
Palo. Uy, why you?
We got time.
Guys, fire our saddle. Lights.
Just don't lose the sight on the beacon holder.
Please ko occupy ng isa.
First beacon at the back. Attack team. Buawi. Look at Buawi on the map.
Copy.
The first beacon is on a rooftop. You drop on the second floor. I got the beacon.
MC1.
I'm dying. Oh, fuck.
Faster. So I can help.
Can we get the command post for the enemy base?
Alright, I will.
Ay, gagawin ko pala yun.
Need backup here in beacon. It almost finished.
Okay, attack team. Just keep finding the beacon.
pala
Base
yun,
team go na
visit.
boss. Position. Need to get it.
I can't get out.
Guys, open ammo back. Save ka.
Okay. I'm done here. Pick up.
Position na base team, okay. House attacking.
On my way again.
Yes.
35 seconds, boss.
Okay.
Okay, I have the beacon. Try to support me.
On my way.
I
10,
grabbed it.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ako na bala dito. Don't you worry, guys.
Don't lose the beacon. Attack team.
I'm trying to find the beacon but not rendering. On, I see the beacon. Heart holding the beacon, guys. Heart, but die. Also careless holding the beacon. Also dead.
It's okay.
Trying to
Help me.
take the beacon, but I can see the beacon. I'm trying to go find it.
Oh,
Warrior skip
I got the beacon.
The other one is almost uploaded. What beacon is that? Shoot. They're gonna upload the other one.
Oh,
Enemy beacon has been uploaded. I'm going to steal the
oh shit.
other one.
Help me. Help, guys.
Why they have two beacon? Oh no. Base team, go back to our base. I think the other
Airdrop?
beacon's already there.
I will return. I will come back to base. Airdrop is coming. Please find the or beacon on our base. Okay, yun. Airdrop. I will take the airdrop.
Sure, get it.
Oh, someone is coming. Okay.
I'm too much sedative.
Guys, don't leave our base, guys.
No!
Ano,
Yay.
They're spamming empty. I can move.
It's really hard, bro.
Ay, dito.
Gonna use a LB.
Ay, sana ako.
Attack team. Let's get the satellite.
Copy.
thanks, I am holding the beacon.
Ano? Thank you.
The other commander, can you guys put signal jammer here on their base? Enemy base.
Base team should hold this beacon. Base, I will should hold this.
Gaga.
Bon, nasan ka?
On the way pre, pabalik. Sa town nila.
Ba-shoot ako ng ceiling para bumagsak lahat ng satellite.
Balinatan, same manpower ko ng laptop.
Sa kababanda.
Guys,
Okay na.
Okay, let's focus the beacon holders first.
Copy, copy. Trying to clear the area. The beacon almost finish up. The enemy beacon. Trying to intercept. No.
Guys,
There got the
attack team,
beacon.
attack team, look at me, buhawi. Nasa loob
Copy.
ng beacon nila, nasa loob ng door.
Ano dito?
base team, I'm under attack.
Okay, nasira na yung door ah. Kinukuha na ulit nila yung beacon.
Base team, I need help.
Nasa taas ka.
Okay, I see the holder in the rooftop. Beacon holder. Over here. Good. Here.
Almost.
I'm almost uploading it.
I'm dead.
Okay, got it. The enemy got the beacon.
Beacon uploaded.
Hey guys, boss, spawning. Oh boss.
Let's do boss. Yeah, we forgot about it.
Boss na lang pre. May power plant.
Yeah.
Copy on my way.
All.
Our plan.
Disengage. Okay, and died.
When you guys see enemy, just ignore it.
They
Attack
are
team
going to
attack
the
team on
boss.
road.
They're also going to the bus.
On my way to the boss.
I got the beacon.
Hold it. Copy.
Bag mo sa power plant, alam mo bag din.
Yan
Copy.
ba sa power plant? Oo. Dito.
Going to cover the beacon holder.
May nahabol ako sa taas.
Halos lahat ng warrior
Ay,
nandito
kapat-
sa base.
Hindi ka tayo katakan. Dito makuha. Holding. Right.
Dito
Trampoline.
talaga mag-upgrade
Advance.
ng acid na to.
Okay, beacon holder. I got you.
All team.
Dito na
Including team base.
Bleeding. Okay, bleeding. Let's go.
Power plant. Double time. We need you guys here. Disengage PvP.
I'm trying to put a trampoline in advance.
Right. Clear what do you call this? Clear the bots.
airdrop guys.
Ruthless Agony. Can you guys get the airdrop?
Airdrop.
Fear. Support them.
Oh, I dropped the beacon.
Are you guys inside?
I drop again.
Okay, it's gonna be tough.
Will defend.
Guys, airdrop. We need that. It's a power plant right now.
Where are we going, Reaper? I don't know how to proceed here. I'm going to destroy.
Reaper sa likod ah.
We should do.
Ini-aim ka na na sniper.
Scared ka.
Wag dyan.
Enemy commander spotted.
They're going
So
up
need
to
to
us.
clear the Imperial. I'm bleeding. Imperial, bro.
Dami nil. Uwi na ako. Baka may ano na beacon.
Use snipers on the Empire. Use snipers on the Empire.
Okay, let's back to beacon. Tara nice. Occupy tayo.
Second floor, here, here.
Second floor, guys. Second floor, guys.
Copy.
Okay.
You guys bring smoke.
Okay. Asan?
Here. Can you guys put walls here? This one. Block it.
Ang mga crapapol.
Rip, sa kabila ka rin.
Pre.
Do we have command ready?
Command post, we need command post here, power plant.
Enemy.
They're inside. They have the beacon. Drop it, motherfucker.
They got the beacon. They steal the beacon.
Dito lang tayo no.
Guys, help me under. Ground floor. Guys, help me under. The wire.
Yung ground floor na yun.
Sa baba.
Siret, pre.
Guys, we need the commander post here. Did you guys grab it?
Man poop.
Let's help Agony. Let's go.
Imperial, OMG.
Oh, fuck.
Careless teammate trying to defend the beacon.
Oh, they took the beacon.
Whoever on base team right now, bring the beacon on our base. Too many enemies.
Umalis ka dito.
Reaper, disengage that, bro.
Too many here. I don't think I can handle this. Two enemy. Using FT. And one warrior.
Bro.
Protect Reaper, guys.
Command post, we need command post here.
We already
We
have
have-
command.
We already have command post.
Okay, nice.
Near nuclear plant.
Enemy, beacon disruptor.
Attack team, can we
I think we should all
invade this second floor? Let's get the beacon. Try. Here, second floor, disengage PvP.
Second floor.
Yeah.
I'm not there, guys.
It's almost uploading. Someone grab it. Here's the beacon. Go grab it.
I got the
Nice.
beacon.
Good job. Play.
Oh, I almost died.
The enemy commander got the beacon.
No.
I got the beacon. Buhawi. Support.
Give me that.
they
I
have me
can't
now.
jump.
Hold on, support me guys. This one is almost uploading.
You can find Bubawi.
On my way.
I drop it.
Okay, here.
Okay, I have the beacon again. I need support.
I got the
I need support.
I'm here. Depending the beacon holder.
Almost. Depend me.
Depending the beacon holder. Trying to defend.
Aakyat ulit ako. I drop it.
Pang sila tips.
Go Reaper. Eyes on Reaper. If he drop it, grab it right away.
Copy.
Play. Good job.
Nice.
One.
Another one, I guess.
Okay,
Oh my
let's
gosh.
do find the other one.
Pinapagod niyo ako.
I guess it's on the first floor.
Yeah,
It's on the bottom, right?
No. Help me, please.
where is it?
Visit ng mga warrior
Oh, there is it.
kayo.
Underwire.
First floor.
Let's go. PvP.
Mocha, got it. Mocha have the beacon.
Oh,
Eyes on Mocha.
Dead.
Grab
Mocha
it.
dead. Enemy. No. Careless got the beacon.
Spam FP,
Trying to
guys.
meet you.
Spam FP.
Can someone roam around, check their command post?
Putang
Where is
ina,
it?
sarap
Mark
i-effort
got the
nito,
beacon.
gago.
Pre, may malapit ba sa inyo sa warehouse? Baka nandun yung command post nila. Dun usually nilalagay yun.
Okay, checking.
Down.
There's so many warrior.
nice one. Mag-reset yung
Galen. Kill Galen. We got time for the beacon. Kill the commander.
Buti
Going back.
nag-reset yung beacon.
I'm going back now.
Man, they all using FT, bro. The fuck?
Yeah.
Guys.
Deserve nyo yan.
Good
No.
job.
I think
Delay them.
I think their command post is in the
Second.
helicopter, I guess. Helicopter part.
Reaper got the beacon. Trying to protect Reaper. But down.
Kinakapture yung...
Enemy got the beacon.
Guys, help me, guys. May isa nag-FT mo.
I got the beacon. No. I dropped it. Also dead.
Guys.
May naka-EM ba sa inyo, pre? Pacheck ako nung sa heli banda.
Ako.
Sa heli banda, pre, ang daming tao dun. Parang nandun yung command post.
Ako.
Where's the beacon?
Wait. No. Okay, good.
Oh, ang hirap. Grabe.
Okay, I saw their command post.
Nice.
Destroy it. Grab the beacon. They drop it.
There are so many.
Inside.
Behind
Okay,
the-
okay.
No.
I'm holding it.
Buy time mo
Nice.
sila.
I will come.
Hold on.
Sa amin ta.
I'm
Can't.
trying to run down.
Visit
They're
ng
still in the second
warrior.
floor.
All
There's
of
so
them
many
are
in second
here.
floor.
We still have 3 minutes for
Naka-Thursday
temporary
na ata ako eh.
revival.
Uy!
Almost finished the beacon.
They'll still here. At lima sila sa loob.
Their command post.
Guys, don't forget the terminal. We have 3 available terminal on the power
Nice.
plant.
Mag-give up ka na para magka-back up ka ulit. Taga dito.
Where's the other beacon at?
Andun pre, sa loob. Second floor again.
Teo?
Okay na yun.
Yeah.
Na-upload. Thank you.
Oh man, sobrang dami.
Get the beacon.
Too many enemies using FT also warrior.
Just find the beacon. I think they drop it.
Nilabas ko.
Nilabas mo?
Oo, yan na naipapasok.
Huwag kang pupulong.
Pinasok ulit.
We don't have.
Pinasok ulit nila.
Sa ground, nasa loob ng terminal. Basag na yung ano nila, command post nila, pwede natin tayo all out eh.
Basag na command post
Wala
nila.
na sa atin eh. Guys, we need another commander post here.
Pre, push nyo na pre. Push natin. Uploading na.
Push nyo na, push nyo na.
Ikaw na naman.
Akim.
Gago ka.
Almost, guys. You got it, you got it.
Sige, ikot-ikutan kita.
Command post.
Sakto na walan tayo ng command post, man.
Wala na rin silang command post, pre.
Human pala
They
to.
uploaded it. Okay.
They are ahead.
Hold on. Making strat.
As of
Nice
now,
one.
we captured terminal.
Yeah, we need terminals,
Ginagawa mo?
Coming back.
Laki ng bawas ng anak sa'yo. Ginagawa mo. May isa pa.
We need commander post. You guys have it.
Ikot-ikutan na lang kita. You spin me
Grabe, all out nila doon, ah.
Yan. Ay, gago.
Oh,
May
they
isa pa.
You have to...
Barami pa.
Trampoline guys, trampoline.
You spin me
You have another beacon.
Okay. Ikot-ikutan lang pala.
Where is this beacon?
Ikot-ikot lang pala yung
Green satellite,
dun,
ah.
sagot dun, ah. Oh, shit, no. Ba't nakaabot sila sa ano?
Okay, all team, all out sa power plant. Everyone,
Alright.
including the people on base. Let's occupy the heli.
Okay. Copy.
We need more commander posts here.
The enemy destroy our command workshop. I'm repairing.
Oh, wait lang ma'am, may kausap ako eh.
Enemy, just enemy, just. This one in destroying our base, our workshop. Base blunder, start now.
Although we need to all out on heli.
One down. I'm chasing the other one.
Use bunny drone.
Good job. Almost done. They're prepared for the heli spot.
They're destroying our base. Some of you come back up here.
Okay.
Heli.
Five enemy here.
Just depend it. Or else
I'm trying.
let them destroy it. Let me calculate the time, bro.
On the way.
Okay. Some of the players, let's try to lessen their table HP.
Ako na, pre. Kayo na dito bahala.
Wait, there's no heli.
Oh, shit.
Guys, we need still player here in F3. Too many enemy.
Maya-maya
Okay.
lalabas.
Okay. We need
Too many. Our bird still 4-3.
Okay, just defend the base.
Mali
Trying to
yung
defend the base.
How about...
Too many
I go back.
hitter.
I go back.
Bawi, Galin. Nasa likod si Galin, lalapag yata ng commander post to. Sa likod ng ano na yun.
Mali tuloy ako ng pinuntahan. Okay, wait lang.
Huawei, should I lessen their base?
Huh?
Should I lessen their base?
Yeah. We need to. If they destroy it, we can all out the base.
Bigta na kayo sa base.
Walang
Patayin
command
niyo
post
ako para
dito, pero may
mapunta ako
kalabang
sa
ka dyan,
taas.
Defense team, come back here, protect the base.
Yeah.
Protect it.
Okay. Per auto.
Where is
Kaya ba yan?
Command post.
Andito ako, pre.
Create wall, guys. Everyone, create wall on the
Oh,
base.
fuck.
Don't
Attack
destroy
team,
your
we need more people here sa heli.
Heli? Okay.
Ito yung pinaka-importante, di pwedeng iwan to.
Guys, don't destroy their base, ha? Less than the...
Bayaan nyo silang mga sira una. We're close. Just support us here on power plant. Heli. There's too many Imperial here.
No.
Enemy commander in our base.
Guys,
Mamamatay
create wall,
ako,
create
okay.
wall.
I'm going to deploy some wall here.
Guys,
Uy,
power plant. Power plant, we
Power
need
plant.
people here, power plant.
The heli. Oh, OMG, they took the heli.
They got it? No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Keep occupying it.
There's so many people.
We need to win the heli.
They command post.
May command
command
post
post.
sila.
Wala tayong command post.
Base team. Look at the map. The heli is coming out. Almost
It's
there.
coming.
Enemy commander out our base. And no. Warrior. Command. At command.
Ito guys, need natin dito ng next time ng commander post sa heli. Hindi pwedeng iwan to.
Heli na papunta sa base natin. Target niya yan.
Yeah, just destroy it.
Copy.
They're
I
holding
need
the
more
heli.
people here on power plant. There are too
need more
many here. Guys, kapag hindi natin na-occupy yung pag di natin na-occupy itong heli, dito tayo matatalo, I swear. This one is 80 points.
Guys, heli. Nasaan kayo? Walang pupunta.
Heli. Attack team. Huwag kayong mag-focus gano'n sa base. Def nyo lang paunti-unti. Hindi nila mapapasag yan.
No. Di ba agad?
We are holding the heli.
Our base is 3K.
Okay, now send people on their base.
Not the heli. We need people here.
I guess losing the ground. K,
Buisit na
on,
FT user
paper.
yan.
Start nyo na yung base nila. Start nyo na.
OMG, no people on the
Uy,
heli.
no one is even.
I'm going to attack the enemy heli.
Okay. Ayun na ba? Start, ha?
Buisit na warrior yan.
Sobrang daming tao, man. Hindi ko kaya mag-defend dito.
Daming warrior.
At walang tao sa base nila. Yung base
Dito,
nila
guys.
nasa beach siya.
Send people on enemy base. Send people on power plant.
Guys, ano na lang, 1620.
Their base is on the
Still-
beach, not on the...
2 helicopter left.
1-4 left on our base.
Ba't nabawasan na yung base nila? Ako.
Yeah.
Guys,
Need ko pa ng support talaga dito sa heli. Power plant.
walang tao sa...
Hindi ko ma-occupy. Sobrang daming tao.
1-2. Last HP, 1-2.
Last HP 1 to 3K. 2K.
Trying to do my best to defend it.
Okay, bro.
4,807.
Just hold it.
Shit, na DC pa.
Okay. After that, all out on their base. Pag nasira nila, all out on their base. And power plant. We need people here. Kaya lumaki yung score nila ng ganyan 600 dahil sa heli. Every minute may score yan.
Oh, okay.
600 na lang base natin ah.
600.
May tao na ba sa base?
Ayun
Dito
na.
ka sa base ng kalaban.
Sige, sige, sige lang.
Ngayon na ako.
Pre, yung mga nasa
DC
base ng kalaban, pre,
sa ano.
bubong tayo. Mas maganda sa bubong. Kahit
Wala
mga
tulad
dalawa.
try natin.
Dalawa sa bubong, tas
300.
300 sa base natin. 1.5.
Hold
Natin
on.
ng babaw.
Nasira na nila. Guys, need natin.
Tira na,
Okay,
tira na,
okay,
tira
all
na.
out. Shit,
Okay,
fuck.
everyone, go to their base.
Base, base, base.
Go to
Pero
their
pwede
base
rin
na.
dun sa ilalim rin nila. Try ko to basagin yung ilalim.
Yung heli talaga. Hindi natin na-occupy yun.
Wag niyo patayin, wag niyo sila patayin, wag niyo sila patayin. Wag niyo sila patayin para hindi sila makabalik.
Don't kill enemy. Just go to their base.
Yes, ignore them. Don't do PvP. Go to their
Ay,
base.
wala ako matulog.
All player go to base. Go to their base.
Hard
Priority
guys,
the command post.
guys, we need people on heli too. That's the most important thing.
Please, got yung ano.
Guys, pasama ako kay Buhawi kahit isang ano lang. Eater or warrior.
Men, sobrang dami nila
Guys,
doon,
dito,
men.
dito. Hindi ako tawa sa bubong. Ako lang mag-isa dito.
Walang trampoline, pre. Hindi kami makakit eh.
Paano to?
Wait.
Hindi ako makaano.
Going through mapa trampoline.
May oras
Trampoline
pa,
here.
men. Kaso, tumataas yung score nila dahil sa heli, pre. Lumalabas sa screen ko lahat yung score nila sa heli. Kailangan ng makipaglaban din doon.
Dito ako sa... Ako, wala ako.
Kaya to. Makuha lang yung ano, yung heli. Heli pinaka-importante.
Babalik ba ako dyan? Dito sa PC.
Need natin talaga ng heli, pre.
Punta na lang ako dyan.
Nag-heli ako, wait lang.
Isang puso lang rin.
Temporary.
Makukuha
Saan
yan
ako
kasi
makabaril
80
doon?
points yan every minute.
Yung dalawang less punta mo na sa...
May trampoline na ba? May trampoline.
Kaya kayo
wala pa
pumupunta sa...
Palagay ako trampoline guys sa ano, paligid.
May ano ba tayo? May commander post tayo dito.
Wala. Wala tayong commander post.
Aroy. Ba't wala ako nakita?
Need din natin ang commander post doon.
Ba't ba ako nakita? Ba't akong tao makita? Ang duga.
Jim din. Dalawa nga lang nakita ko.
Nasa ano sila? Nasa taas, men.
Ito nga sa taas nga ako.
Taas, hindi nyo makita. Sa tubig,
Yun ang
sa swimming pool.
Napapunta na ako dyan namin. Tumahan ka namin.
Actually, kaya
Ay,
talaga
pangalawa
to, men. Heli lang talaga. Importante heli. Yan yung wag mawawala. Di baling masiraan tayo ng base basta na-occupy yung heli.
Sige.
Sa
Para
base,
hindi na kaya mag
depth and offense, yan lang yung magpo-point sa atin yung heli.
Sila pa rin may hawak.
Kaya sobrang lapit ng lamang nyo kahapon sa Maharlika kasi na-occupy ni Hart yung heli.
May tao ba dyan, Awi?
Hindi nyo makita. Kaya talaga yung tyrant ang galing magtago sa heli, no?
Ano pre? Wala
Dito
mo
ako,
ilalim
dito
ng
na.
tubig.
Feeling ko bagos talaga yan.
Sa ilalim ng tubig pre, wala.
Wala dito. Alam ko, nasa likod to eh.
Pre, wag niyo PvP pre, ano lang ah.
Ayan.
Table lang.
Nakuha nyo na ba yung heli? Kaya pa to, pre. Kaso nakuha na naman nila yung heli.
2-9 na lang yung ano.
Table. Sige, habol tayo.
May tao.
Putang na lahat naka-empty ka. Paano ka mabubuhay dyan?
Okay kami nag-occupy ng heli guys.
Okay, good.
May tao
Tingnan nyo,
na lang.
nag-stop yung score nila, oh. Wala silang score na ako nakukuha.
Bilis.
Wag lang kayo papapatay dyan.
Guys, pakihanap. Ay, anong imperial na to?
Kagat ka.
Ba't kasi yung sobrang sakit kami ito?
Ayun na, Smith.
4 seconds sa atin yung score ng heli, ah.
First is...
What's yung base? Nakuha pa ako ng wapa. Kayo pa rin sa
Ako malapit na sila.
Okay lang.
Kami tao dito.
Table lang.
2K, last 2K point. Table.
Butas sabay bubong.
Hindi pa pre, walang bumutas.
Teka. May pupunta.
Kamusta yung heli?
Kami nag-occupy. Pero, parang kami nag-occupy ng iba, hindi ko mahanap.
Grabe pre. Wala na tayong commander post, ha.
Okay, 1-6 na lang yung 1-5 na lang yung table. Medyo mabilis na.
Sige. Get nyo.
1-4 na lang, 1-4.
Ingat. Huwag magpapatay masyado.
Ito na.
Yan.
Commander nila.
Piste, di ako
Andiyan si
makakita.
Galen.
Akong bandage par.
Oo. Patay.
Lakas, ah.
989.
Table lang, ha. Makakapag ano ba?
Wala silang
Makakapagtayo ba ng commander post dito?
Yes.
May crop ba tayo?
Malapit sa
1-3 na lang guys, 1-3. Push nyo.
Let's go.
Table lang, table.
Table lang. Talaga need na commander post dito, men. Kaya to. Ano, nakamusta
Their
na
score
yung...
is 909. 9,919.
Okay, 1K. 900.
Keep fighting on it.
Don't mind him.
20 na. Kamusta yung score?
9934.
9934.
Their base
900. The command post 900 points.
800.
800.
9939.
Sa bubong sana nabasa yung bubong.
Try to avoid death, guys. Try to avoid death.
Mga warrior sa loob guys, hampas-hampas lang kayo, wag na pumasok yung hitter sa labas na lang. Kaya nyo i-distract ng warrior.
Ako, bilis. Oh.
969 ha.
500, mabilis kayo.
500.
Ilan?
Their score is 9969.
Huwag kayong
979.
79.
Huwag kayong magpakamatay. May point shield pa pag namatay. Tatagdag na yung point shield.
9989.
HP 8.
The HP is 420.
Kaya yan.
Ayan, sige.
No, don't die.
Apen.
300 guys.
Ano na?
Ah!
Yung huli mamamatay.
Puta.
Good job, guys.
Kahit nakakas ko pa yung buhay ko, mamamatay na ako.
Good job.
Kahit
Ayun,
nakakas ko pa.
next time, sa heli. Pinaka-importante.
Copy. Copy, man. Copy. Thank you.
Yan, ano yan. Every minute, 80 points yung ano nyo, yung points na makukuha sa heli. Oo. Ano yung kahapon kasi anong nangyari? Si Heart na-occupy niya yung ano, yung heli. Na-compute ko yung score ni Heart 960 lahat na nabigay sa ano, sa Yamete that time. So talagang dumikit yung score score niya sa amin.
GG.
Sayang.
Thank you.
Masunurin.